Welcome back, Brown family, to the part 2 with me bleaching and styling this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you haven't, and share this video. Gang gang. So the wig is washed. It ain't take how I thought it was taken, but you see something. You see something. Alright. Look like you got a pet right here. Maybe it's just how I pet the hair down on that side. Maybe. Yeah, one thing about frontals, the lace area, y'all gotta be real gentle. Especially if this hair is been over bleached, if the knots been over bleached. Y'all can't just be combing it any type of way when it's wet, cause that's something there. Only a miracle. Only a miracle. So before I start brushing, I'm gonna spray my little Chi spray. Is, y'all know what it is. It's a heat protectant. It is. I don't know about y'all, but I know about us, and it's the only way we know how to. I don't think that's how to go. Remember, this wig itself, I ain't gonna flex. This is my go-to wig, probably because it's easy to manage and it ain't that much hair on it, so that's probably why. Because any other wig, I would have to brush it from the bottom and build it from the top. This wig itself, it don't have that much hair on it. And it's sample like this. Hair right here. This is a thick hair, baby. Let it puff up. It is a thick hair. That's why I keep it moisturized and wet. Because that is a lot of hair for me. Y'all don't do me. Be like, look how she brushing out her wig. Y'all better come teach me how to brush the wig if I'm brushing it wrong. Yeah, I really do want to just brush out my wig, but it's still wet and that's a long process. I ain't gonna even flex. I think we got the point. It has the highlights. The point that I was trying to make, the highlights. Because of these little highlights, I'm not going to have to bleach it. You guys see? Made me feel like I should have did this to the whole head. Cause yeah, made me feel like I should have did it to the whole head. Let's do new one. And I'm just gonna focus. I don't know why I'm brushing it, cause this, like I said, this has stay anyway. Brushing it don't make no sense. I don't know if I told y'all. So after I washed it off camera, I did put a deep conditioner on this hair and I left it sit in for like 10 to 15 minutes and then I washed it out. And also, if y'all want to know how long I kept the bleach on for this color, I'm not going to lie to y'all. I don't know. Honestly, I just washed the bleach off when I seen the color lifting. And honestly, it came out darker than what it looked like when I was washing it out. Weird is it? After I dry the hair, I'm just going to mold it with some hair foam. Honestly, I use buy any product because it's a wig. Honestly, I don't be trying to do special things with it. But I used what, let me lay this wig down. So as you're gonna see, I'm just gonna mold it just to make sure that the part is clean, make sure that there's no hair that needs to be plucked. Like I said, this wig already came a little thin, already came a little pre-plucked. It wasn't much that I had to do to it, and I don't want to do much to it because that's just unnecessary hair waste. So right now I'm just trying to get a feel to where my part is gonna be, and I'm just like talking. You know how like sometimes you can see a style in your head? Basically I was seeing a style in my head, so I already knew what I was gonna do. I told myself I was gonna do some nice deep curls. Now for the curls, I decided that I kind of wanted to frame my face, so as you're gonna see, I'm going to be separating the hair diagonally, if that's what it is, like across. So the reason why I'm doing this is because when I curl the hair going towards me, I'm gonna pin it, so when the curls actually cool down, they should drop towards my face, almost giving a feather effect without me have to cut the hair. Now sometimes people will tell you to layer your hair to get a feather effect or just that curl effect. There's other ways around it. If you don't want to like cut your hair, you can just basically, it's how you part the hair, how you gonna lay it down. Now y'all gonna see me use this bed spray all the way through this video. This video is not a promotion for the bed spray, but this bed hair spray is like, it might surpass Got2b. Like, this thing not only hold the curls together, but it also could lay a lace front without having glue or anything tacking your hair, and it lasts a week. So that's good for me. I like stuff that don't cause my lace front to be dirty or I have a lot of cleaning to do. So that's my go-to now. That spray is all I need. Now I'm just gonna stop talking and let you basically get into the video of how I curl the hair. All right, y'all, talk to y'all soon. Thank you guys for staying tuned and watching me turn this wig into this beautiful creation. Hope to see you soon in part 3 of me actually installing the wig. Love you.